So this is what happens when they're left alone for 5 minutes. And not really alone, just in a separate room. He got Kayla's responsibility chart, took off all the magnets that I had organized for her, sitting here clicking them back into place because that's what he enjoys. So he decided to also take the GAC he made in therapy today and stick all the magnets in it. Just so you'll know what the GAC is. It's that stuff. It's made from glue and borax, but he stuck all her magnets down in it, except the ones he's clicking on there. Corbin, what'd you do? What are you doing? It didn't click loud enough, see what? It's gotta be a loud click or it doesn't count. And that's what he does all day. This is current stem.